Hey friends, what's up? Hello! I am back with another pack with me video. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Amanda, Siedler Aesthetic, and I'm off to another weekend away. We're gonna pack my RIMOWA classic cabin luggage. And I have to leave like right now, so let's actually go. And here in the background, on that little stool, we see everything that I'm gonna bring. So it's a whole mess, but I'll bring it over here and we'll have a chat about it. So first off, I'm bringing a few things that I want my friend to have a look at because I have not worn these things in such a long time and I think she'll wear them. It's like a little cropped sweater from Brandy Melville. It's like a little fit and flare skater dress. It's like a little wrap top in a green color. But I haven't worn it, so let's pack it. And of course, we're bringing some pajamas. Wait, I'm getting reflection in my glasses. That's not cute. Then I'm bringing one little outfit with a velvet skirt and a Uniqlo merino wool turtleneck. You already know my love for these turtlenecks. I'm also bringing my Halloween outfit because this is a little Halloween getaway. I'm wearing my Highland boots from Stuart Weitzman. I'm wearing a Vampire's Wife little silvery Vampire's Wife for H&M little silvery dress. So cute. And because I'll be a vampire, I thought this dress will go pretty well on theme. And then I have a cape. So I have this huge, like, majorly long cape that I'm gonna just, like, wear. I don't know. I'm sure it's gonna be great. I haven't really thought out this outfit, but I remember my dad wearing this cape when I was like 5 years old. I was just like, wow, can I be that cool sometime to be a vampire at Halloween with this, like, majorly long cape? And now, like, 20 years later, here I am, you know? Then I'm bringing another little outfit with my Marco Polo sweater dress, so cute. And then for the accessories, I'm gonna travel with my new Hermes bag. It's an Hermes Evelyn in the size GM. I am so excited. You'll get to see it as well soon. And otherwise, I'm bringing my Saint Laurent M40 sunglasses, my Saint Laurent Python belt, as well as my little Stella McCartney Falabella little crossbody bag. I think that's what we're bringing, guys. And apart from like undies and like my computer and like, oh, makeup, we need to bring makeup. Oh my gosh, what if I forgot makeup? That would be horrendous. The like big pouch is my makeup. The smaller one is my makeup brushes, and here are my toiletries. So let's pack. There we go. Let's pack. So this one we're not packing because that's what I'm wearing. And now I'll just sit here. Is this okay? Hello. And yes, and here I already have some face masks because that's good to have sometimes. And I always bring a pair of like hotel slippers wherever I go, so they just live in here. Because you know, you can never go wrong with a pair of slippers. And my shoes always travel in dust bags because I think that is the best way for them to travel. Because, you know, I don't feel like it's very sanitary for shoes to just be floating around. And equally, I mean, since these are suede, I think it's better for them to be in their dust bags versus just being on their own, like fighting for their survival in my suitcase. And I always feel so that I don't have anything in the way of closing the bag. so that I kind of squish any of my clothes because we don't want that. And there we go, guys. That is the luggage packed. Good job. Look at my new Hermes Evelyn. I need to take the tag off. And then we just plop the phone, the keys, the headphones in here, and we are ready to go. And tuck that one in there as well. Awesome. Guys, should we do the cutting ceremony together? Let's do that. Ta-da! And now we have a new Hermes Evelyn. Oh my gosh. How fun. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. So guys, that's it. That's what I'm bringing for this weekend away. I'm so excited. And we need to wear some jewelry, of course. I cannot forget about jewelry. That would be so rude of me, literally. So we're wearing my little pearls Seiko watch. I haven't worn this in a while, but I have my Omega watch in for service. So now this is my current little watch pick. I think that matches so well with this turtleneck. And with my new Hermes Evelyn, oh my gosh, look at this brown vibe. And then we're wearing some dainty bracelets, and because it's kind of Halloween, right? I'm wearing the red Hermes Click H bracelet with the orange because I think that is just such a fall vibes combination, and I think it's just brilliant, so cute. And then just some little silver rings. And then, of course, for my outerwear, I'm wearing my Max Mara Dritto coat in this camel color because I think it goes so well with my new Hermes Evelyn. Are we not loving this vibe? I am so loving it. But guys, that was it. That was my little pack with me experience. I hope this gave you an indication of what I fit in my RIMOWA Classic Cabin luggage. And if you have any questions about this luggage, please let me know. I have filmed another pack with me, and I have filmed a little experience of, because you know, one of the wheels fell off once. It was a little bit awkward, but RIMOWA fixed it right up for me, so that was not an issue. But it is up here for you if you want to click on that little video. Guys, otherwise, that was it. My hair is a mess, but I need to leave now, so I'll sort out my hair another day. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't had enough of me just yet, I'll link 2 videos right here, which I and YouTube thinks you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye. Woo!